Feasts make us relish a lot of yum dishes. Sometimes overeating or because of the rich foods, this often leads to stomach upsets and indigestion. So, as a forethought, our ingenious elders had introduced a medicinal side dish which looked tempting and was tasty to eat, and yet acted quickly to control stomach upsets. Allein is one such dish containing ginger and jeera, and so a powerhouse for action against gastric troubles. Being so tasty, it is invariably consumed by all, and so they reap its benefits to the full. It's so easy to prepare with just a few ingredients. Here I have some homegrown ginger. Take a large piece, wash and remove the skin. Here is little more than half cup of grated coconut. Add the chopped ginger and 1 or 2 green chilies. One chili is better, as then the ginger taste will be predominant. You can also add slightly roasted coconut to the mixer. Now grind this to a smooth paste. Transfer to a bowl. Add salt to taste.
सर्वांकैके किजे चॅनलांत स्वागत. आता मिशे व्हिडिओसा चड घालेन आसा. तिखसाणी मिरसाणी खाणाचे रामदेई घरी अडगई हे सगळ्या रेसिपीज आमगेले कोंकणी रेसिपीज तुम्ही व्यू करका सपोर्ट करका छान जाणू सर्वांक पामचे म्हणटा सपोर्ट करका व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय शेअर कराय सबस्क्राईब कराय.
And about half a cup of thick curds. Mix well. Now add a tempering of mustard, jeera and curry leaves. And enjoy this flavorful side dish. Try to have this as often as possible.